So here's the radio installed, the RT67 with the PP112 unit and the MT299 bass speaker and handset. It's all connected up. The only thing left to do now is get an aerial cable and power it up to the main system, which will happen in due course when funds allow. But there you are, it's all set up, ready to go. So I have here a cover radio set CW-330/G, and this is the canvas cover, hopefully, for the radio mount set up. So I'll just take it off. And unwrap it. And you'll see it's not easy to do this one-handed, and it fits like a glove. Come back and show you the aftermath of trying to install it better rather than just do it one-handed. So here's the cover installed. Good fit, genuine, original, old stock. Let's see if I can. And just exposes the parts of the radio that you need to see. It does now mean I don't have to take the radio out when I put the Jeep to bed. So there you go, that's the main install of the Jeep complete for the radio. Just need to power it up now. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.